I have to say, Charlie, you are an incredible medical specimen. I guess that's one of the benefits of waking up every morning at the crack of crack. And you know, it's amazing. Despite all those years of abusing your lungs, your kidneys, your liver, the only thing you've had removed is your kids. Admittedly, Charlie gets a little confused sometimes. He's the only guy who pulls a knife on a woman who's already willing to fuck him.
I drink to that. I drink to that shit.
Michael, drink to that. But is Charlie really the worst guy here? So he made a chick blow him for 30 grand. Mike Tyson makes you blow him because I said so. That's why.
I drink to that too.